It's been a festive run on Dalal Street. Looks like Diwali came early. Hi, and welcome to This Week in the Markets, your quick rewind of all the action that shaped Indian equities. Markets extended their winning streak for the third straight session, with the Sensex jumping 485 points to close at 83,952 and the Nifty climbing 125 points to end at 25,710. But that's not all. Both indices hit a fresh 52-week high, with Sensex touching 84,172 and Nifty hitting 25,781.50. Yet both are far from their historic highs that were recorded in September last year. The rally was led by Bank Nifty, which hit a new record high, as well as financial heavyweights like Axis Bank and HDFC Bank saw strong buying. Sectoral indices like FMCG, auto, pharma, and healthcare led the charge, while IT, media, and metal saw some profit taking. In stock-specific action, Asian Paints stocks brightened up to 4% as crude prices cooled off, but Infosys slipped 2% despite a 13% jump in their Q2 profits, while Wipro tumbled 5% post-earnings, and Zee Entertainment also fell 3% after a 65% plunge in their Q2 profits. Even JSW Infrastructure could not escape the sell-off, which was down nearly 4% despite a 26% rise in the revenue. For the week, both Sensex and Nifty gained 1.7%, which was driven by solid earnings in their Q2 for the current financial year and a hope for RBI to cut rates in December, which added to the cheer. For today, DIs led the buying with net inflow of 1,500 crores, while FIs also remain net buyers, contributing Rs 308 crores to the markets as per the latest provisional data on the bourses. And with US-China trade tensions brewing again, foreign investors could turn back to India's relative stability, making the festive rally all the more meaningful. With Muhurat trading next week on the 21st of October, investors are entering the festive week on an optimistic note, hoping that the momentum carries through the Samvat year of 2082. That's all you needed to know about the markets this week. The streets lightening up early this season, and the bulls seem in no mood to slow down. And on that good note, wishing you all a very happy Diwali.